can you describe the process of installing solar panels with SE Systems?
If you were to contact us through our website or through one of our forums, or to give us a ring here in the office, what we would do is we'd call you back, we'd set up a survey, so we'd get your eircode, we'd get your electricity bills and some initial information for us to be able to do a technical study of the property. From there, we would draw a 3D view of the house, taking into account different obstacles, trees, etc, etc. And from that, we will be able to generate a very technical report, which will tell you what you're going to produce and what it's going to look like over the years and what it's going to be worth to you. From that there, we'd come out and do a survey of the house just to make sure, I suppose, your electrical infrastructure is in place and is up to standard, what cable routes, and we'll work with you to decide where we put all the components, what suits you, what doesn't suit you, and try and come up with a solution that's suitable for everybody. From that, once we, I suppose, lock down and make a decision on what we're going to do and how you'd like to do it, we'd come out firstly by installing the panels on the roof. So we'd use a mobile tower to get access to the roof, and from there we would install the panels, and the next stage after that then is the wiring. So our electricians would come on board, they would put an inverter into the house, which is the brains of the operation. What that does is takes the electricity from the panels, it converts it into usable electricity and feeds that into your fuse board. And the reason it's the brains of the operation is it also monitors it, does all the safety side of things, and you can control all that through an app. So once we have that wired up and tested and certified, we would then show you how to use the app and talk you through it. Finally, after that, then we would organise a technical assessment, BER. So the BER will come out, we will cover that, and they will come out and upgrade your BER because of the solar panels being on your house, raise it from one value to the next value, depending on how much is installed. Finally, from that then, our admin would generate all the reports. So that'll be all your certificates, your warranties, all the paperwork necessary for the grant. And we take care of the grant start to finish. We would work with the ESB then to get you up on their system so that you can get export when your system gives excess electricity. From there, we would work tirelessly until the grant is solved. We I suppose, have a 100% success rate, and we'd work until the grant is in your account and sorted. So there you have it. That's the process of installing solar panels with SE Systems.